Good morning, students. I am teacher Salunke TB from Sri Shivaji Vidya Mandir and Junior College, Aun, Pune. Students, I welcome all of you in this session of English language. Today in this session, we are going to discuss one of the significant topics from the grammar. The title of the topic is affixation. Students, on this topic, activity can be set in the activity sheet. You can be asked to add correct prefix or suffix to the given word and form a new word. Therefore, today we are going to discuss this significant topic, that is affixation. So what is meant by affixation? Affixation is a process of word formation. It is a process by which new words are formed through the addition of a set of letters either in the beginning or at the end of the root word to change its meaning. It can be said that an affix is a set of letters generally added to the beginning or at the end of the root word to modify its meaning. Students, the two main types of affixes are prefixes and suffixes. Let us see what is meant by prefix. Prefix is a set of letters which is added in the beginning of the root word. For example, in the word unlock, the root word is lock and the prefix added to this root word is un. So in this way, when we add a set of letters like un in the beginning of the root word like lock, this set of letter is called prefix. So after adding this prefix, we have formed a new word, that is unlock. Moreover, this addition of prefix has also changed the meaning of the root word, that is lock. Let us see one more example. The word is dislike. In this word, the prefix dis is added to the root word like, and this is how we have formed or got the new word dislike. This adding of prefix dis also changes the meaning of the root word like. In this way, I repeat the definition of prefix. The prefix is a set of letters that is added in the beginning of the root word to form a new word, and consequently, the meaning of the root word changes in this process of word formation. There are different kinds of prefixes in English language. For example, un in unhappy, dis in disclaim, in incorrect, im in impossible, ill in illegal, pre in prepared, re in remix, de in degenerate, ir in irregular, miss in misguide, inter in international, non in non-verbal, semi in semi-final. So this is how we can add prefixes to the root word, and we can form the new words in this process of word formation. Now let us move to the second type of affixation, that is suffix. As I told you, suffix is a set of letters that is added at the end of the root word to form a new word or to change its meaning. For example, let us look at this word. The word is definitely. In this word, the root word is definite and the suffix added at the end of this root word is ly. After adding this suffix ly to the root word definite, we have formed a new word, that is definitely. And this addition has also changed here the lexical or grammatical category of the adjective definite into adverb definitely. Let us see one more example of suffix. Let us look at the word hopeful. In this word, the root word is hope and the suffix added at the end of this root word is full. After adding this suffix full to the root word hope, we have formed a new word, that is hopeful. And this addition has also changed here the lexical category of the verb or noun hope into adjective hopeful. In this way, I repeat the definition of suffix. The suffix is a set of letters that is added at the end of the root word to form a new word, and consequently the meaning and lexical category of the root word change in this process of word formation. There are different kinds of suffixes in English language. For example, able in comfortable, age in personage, al in dismissal, ans, anc in disturbance, ant in habitant, ary in documentary, tion in domination, tive in narrative, cy in normalcy, ee in employee, er in engineer, en in enlighten, nc in coherence, ent in dependent, er in searcher, less less in careless, nes ness in cleanliness, est in longest, tic in sympathetic, fy in simplify, ial in financial, ian in guardian, ily in easily, ing in bewildering, ous in mysterious, ty in sensibility, sion in inclusion. So these are different suffixes which can be added to the root word, and we can form new word in this process of word formation. So students, in this way we have discussed what is meant by affixation, what are two main types of affixation, what does prefix mean, what different types of prefixes are there, what does suffix mean, what different types of suffixes are there. Students, in the last part of this session, I would like to mention here is that it is possible that one root word may have prefix as well as suffix with it. For example, let us look at this word. I read the word incorrectness. In this word, the root word is correct, the prefix is in, and the suffix is ness. So after adding prefix in and suffix ness to the root word correct, we can form the new word incorrectness. Let us see one more example where we have both prefix and suffix attached to the root word. I read the word unsuccessful. In this word, the root word is success, and the prefix added to this root word success is un, and the suffix added to this root word is full. So after adding prefix un and suffix full, we have formed the new word, that is unsuccessful. So students, I hope you must have understood both the ways of affixation, that is prefix and suffix. So I give you assignment, you need to add correct prefix and suffix to the words. I conclude my lecture here. I stop here. Thank you.